Let us all open our hearts and minds as we invoke the divine presence of the Almighty. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Allahumma ameen. Ya Allah, we seek your blessings and your guidance as we commence our executive strategic planning. We humbly present ourselves to you as your servants from the Mindanao State University System under the leadership of our dear President, Attorney Paisanin P.D. Tagu. We ask you to grant us clarity and vision. Open our minds to see the path that will lead MSU to greater service for the people of Mindanao and our nation. Ya Allah, have mercy upon us all. شأننا كله ولا تكلنا إلى أنفسنا طرفة عين برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين والحمد لله رب العالمين.
Dahil sa ito ay kinakailangan tayo na magtulong-tulong.
Please be seated. At this point, to deliver her inspiring words of welcome and to set the tone for our two-day planning and workshop, let us all welcome the dynamic Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Alma E. Beroa. A round of applause, please.
Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Magandang hapon po sa lahat. Our warmest welcome to one and all for the strategic planning of Mindanao State University, Marawi, including our MSU, MSI campuses here at Dusit Sani, Mactan, Cebu, for 2 days, August 23. For making it here to this very significant event.
The new Vice Chancellor for Academic Affairs of Marawi, Dr. Minerva Samina M. Naga.
Let us welcome her with a round of applause, please.
Pagpasensyaan nyo na po mas matangkap pa yung roast mo kaysa sa akin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My courtesies to our Sister President, Attorney Paisalim Pangandaman Cabos, CPA, to our system officials, executive officials, chancellors of our MSIs, Farida Salim, the transition, shout out to Mr. Abdul Aziz Nick Pangandaman, the steering and working committees, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and a pleasant good afternoon. Unified roadmap that strengthens our role as a national peace university, a hub of academic excellence and a pillar of inclusive and sustainable development. The purpose of this workshop is to align the strategic direction of MSc Main Campus with the President's 9-point agenda, ensuring that our plans, policies, and programs contribute meaningfully to institutional growth, regional development, and nation building, particularly addressing the needs of the Bangsamoro and the Mindanao communities. For the objectives and expected outcomes of current programs, policies, and institutional performance. Third is to build consensus on a strategic roadmap 2025 onwards with clear priorities, measurable outcomes, and success indicators. And of course, to strengthen synergy and solidarity among academic and administrative leaders.
Most attention to the keynote address to be delivered by our very own, the 9th President of the Mindanao State University System and Chancellor of MSU Marawi Campus, Attorney Paisalim Tago, CPA. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give him a big round of applause.
Courtesies to the 60 officials, the executive vice president, the vice president, the chancellors, 5 chancellors, the faculties, superintendents, staff, transition committees, to all of you, to my special courtesies to our front line, the first line of defense, our principal from the 13, yan the front line, sila muna, the 13 from the community high schools. Walang ILIS at saka UTC, no? ILIS and UTC, ayun. Ayun, dahil na sila. Thank you all for this strategic planning and workshop. Sabi nga nila, kaya nag-ating dito sa mga workshop para daw makasip-sip. Oh, totoo yan. Para makasip-sip. Kaya nag-ating dito. And you know what is mean by sip-sip? Sino nakakalam? Sip-sip. A stands for sightseeing. I struggle. F stands for Facebook. Another H stands for swimming. Letter E for and the last, pinaka-last, yung planning. Kaya nga, safe. Diba? Kaya nag-atin dito, gusto mag-sightseeing, gusto mag-Instagram, gusto mag-Facebook, mag-swimming, kumain, at last na priority nila yung planning. Wala lang may strategic planning, wala palang strategy yung ginagawa. Let's 14 na lang. For the good of our community and the good of our institution. Thank you very much all. May special acknowledgement to the Maigo for coming here ready by the Superintendent Chancellor. From the Ignac Sultan Naga di Mapuro, we did by Indira, Superintendent / Chancellor. Masaya. From the Elinka, kay Gandamra, Superintendent / Chancellor. From the, of course, from the Super Chancellor of Boho, from Sindangan, from Palawan, Basilan, and Bangka. And to all of you, the officials of the MSU system and campus, again, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will not mention your names because ito mahaba-haba. Parang tinatamad-tamad ito sa'yo. Balik ko sabi mo, paano kaya mabasa ito? Transition Committee. Today marks a historic moment for the Mindanao State University system. For the first time under my administration, pero under my administration, for the first time under my administration, we gathered in this executive strategic planning and workshop not only to chart the course of our institution, but to redefine what it means for MSU to serve as a national peace university. Does not merely provide education, but actively builds peace, fosters inclusivity, and drives sustainable development, cultural integration, and peace building in Mindanao and beyond. We gather for this executive strategic planning and workshop not simply to discuss plans, but to align our collective will with the 9-point agenda that I have laid down as the policy direction of our system. One that fulfills its historic mandate to serve Mindanao and the nation. This executive strategic planning is hopefully the engine that will drive these priorities forward. Yung pang-unang belief that is already outdated automotive, and parang hindi na yata kailangan siya. Number 2, on strategic planning and validation of institutional development. By revisiting and aligning our current plans, as you will also present your strat plans, we ensure that our programs respond to BARM's needs, national priorities, and global educational standards. We also must work on pushing for on quality assurance. Importante yung quality assurance, yung ISO, ACO, and international, yung truly competitive academic system, yung mga COPC natin, bago lang nag-COPC yung mga different colleges of their different programs. And number 4 is on curriculum enhancement, research and extension and production. This workshop defines how we will integrate peace education, environmental stewardship, and innovation across all disciplines. Nandito rin yung Halal 101, which we are doing right now. Yung sinabi ko nga sa agriculture and fisheries enhancement, I have already talked to the Dean of College of Agriculture and Fisheries regarding this yung curricular enhancement and the research. Number 5, on rehabilitation and cultural preservation of cultural and religious heritage. Dapat saan yung sa Maranao Cultural Center, no? We should finance and develop that sa Aga Khan Museum, and of course including the King Faisal Islamic Center, because they are the landmark of our institution. On human resource development and culture building, we will commit to faculty and staff development programs that enhance excellence, productivity, and accountability. And thus, we will build stronger capabilities to nurture a culture of excellence and ensure that our people will remain at the heart of every achievement we pursue. Important itong human resource development. May mga faculty CDs tayo and others, so we must enhance our human resource development. In student welfare, this is extra important. We should do that. I think there is a plan for this. We should improve their facilities for the students and of course their knowledge. Dapat yung environment natin sa MSU mabago. Inshallah, we will do that so that we can attract students and students also having a good environment will do their best for the good of our community. And infrastructure, number 8, structure and digital transformation. This process lays the groundwork for modern tech. Our campuses within ensuring we are ready. San si Ronald? Dapat yung si Ronald sa nakalikod. Digital transformation. Dapat magawa natin ito, if not this year, next year, inshallah. Kasama ito sa agenda yung GCash. GCash. Para pag-enroll, pag-register, lahat online. Hindi na pumipila yung mga estudyante. Hindi na kami mga account natin. So, gawan natin yun ng paraan. Pagtulong-tulungan natin. Yung mga iba, digital transformation, sinasabi ko nga na noon, dapat yung ID that we will issue to our faculties, staff, and the students, RFID siya. Kaya ba yun, Roland? Para alam natin pag lumalabas sa campus, alam na, we are properly counted. There are so many, magaling dyan. Lastly, on communication, engagement, and security, strategic direction will enhance images visibility, strengthen linkages, ensure a safe, inclusive environment conducive to learning and innovation. So this is our 9-point agenda, and I understand this is part of your workshop. Ito ang workshop na gagawin na. You know the term workshop? Because you are going to shop for your work. Oh, that is the term of workshop. So, magsishopping ka, ay yung trabaho. Oh, so, dapat ang shopping mo, yung trabaho na babagay sa'yo, yung kaya mo at kaya mong gawin. So that's the main concept why it was termed workshop. Why it was termed workshop. So dapat pag mag-shopping ka, yung trabaho mong branded. Hindi yung class A, replica, o kayo kain. Yan. So, hopefully, our strategic workshop will bear fruits para hindi masayang yung pagpunta natin dito. Kagabi, muntik pa tayo madisgrasya. Lakas ng alon. Walang nakatulog sa atin. Pero experience yun. Magandang experience yung ginawa natin. It's a good experience. So, kagabi sabi ko, pag nalubog ito, ilan kaya sa kanilang masisip ko. Kaya ko lang. Nag-enjoy ba kayo dito sa Dusit? You like the place? Okay ba, Dusit? At least nag-okay kayo. So, thank you very much. Sabi ko nga, this workshop, we will start tomorrow. Our workshop. So, hopefully, our workshop and our strategic planning will bear fruits. Kasi sa gobyerno, hindi lang sa MSU, buong government institution. Puro plano, pero iba ang napupuntahan ng plano. So, sa atin, dapat totoong plano. Iba ang MSU. Ibahin natin sa MSU dahil tayo ay inklusibong pamantasan, lahat ay pantay-pantay, lahat ay welcome. Thank you very much. Thank you all for coming to this 2D strategic planning and workshop, and we are praying to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that this activity will be good to our community and our people. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
today for a visionary leader who brought us all together today here in Cebu. A round of applause to our beloved Mindanao State University System President, Attorney Maisalin Pangandaman Tago, CPA. Sir, maraming salamat po for this first ever or once in a lifetime opportunity, you know, for MSC official. Sana po marami pang susunod na kapalit. Okay, so at this point, we will invite our President together